Hi, I'm Dan Olson with the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency, and as you can see, it's springtime again, and that means it's water quality monitoring time. And we have staff out and about in our lakes and streams taking samples and collecting data. But as you know, we have lots of lakes and streams in Minnesota, so many that we don't have enough people to do it all. So we really rely on the citizens of Minnesota to help us with this work. We have two programs, the Lake Monitoring Program and the Stream Monitoring Program. We have 900 involved with the Lake Program, 400 with the Stream Program, but even that's not enough. And so we're always looking for more people to become a volunteer monitor, and it's not a lot of work. In fact, once you get out to your site, it really only takes you about 15 minutes to make a visit. And the lake volunteers use a Secchi disc. They simply drop it down and record where it disappears. And the stream monitors use a Secchi tube. It's a similar device. You fill with water and then record where the Secchi disc disappears. And what that does, it provides us with really valuable information about the trends going on around the state, whether things are getting better or getting worse. And I could talk about this program for a long time, but I think it would be more helpful at this point to show folks a new video that we've created that shows people in the field doing this work to give you a little bit of an idea of what it's all about.
Over 1,000 volunteers monitor the health of Minnesota's lakes and streams for the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency. But with over 12,000 lakes and 92,000 miles of streams, we need more volunteers.
It's really easy and it's really fun, and it's a good reason to get out on the lake when it's one of those days where we're like, do we want to go, do we not? And it's like, yes, we got to get our data.
Well, it's maybe just a 15-minute job for me because I can walk down from my house. And I come down and I just get my samples, check the clarity, check the temperature.
Volunteers monitor water clarity regularly during the summer, making it a great activity for both adults and kids.
It's fun to help the water and do it with friends, and so we can help each other make the environment a better place.
I've learned that the water quality kind of changes every year. Like if there's a rainfall, then there's going to be more stuff in the water, so it's not going to be as clear. Or if there hasn't been rain for a while, the water's going to be more clear.
Minnesotans use lakes and streams for drinking water, recreation, and fish and wildlife habitat. We rely on clean water for everything that we do, and the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency plays a big role in making that happen.
Well, I think we all need a measurement of things of change, and as I understand it, one of the things that we do that's probably the most important is to keep a record of change over, in my case, 11 years, to see if things are getting better, worse, or the same.
One, it's a way for the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency to collect a lot of data. Second, it enlightens families about, hey, we need to protect our natural resources. Sometimes we forget that on a daily basis.
It's a great volunteer opportunity. I mean, it's one of the best volunteer opportunities there is.
Join the MPCA's Citizen Water Monitoring Program today. No prior experience or training is needed. Make a difference for your favorite lake or stream.
Well, now that you've had a chance to look at the program a little more closely, if you're interested, like I said, you can sign up at the website or give us a call or if you have questions. And now we do have some specific needs in this part of the state, specifically on the Wild Rice River in Mahnomen and Norman counties and the Buffalo River in Clay County. So folks in those areas, especially if you have an interest, take a look and get back to it. Get back to us with your interest. We would really appreciate it. Thank you very much.